Hi everyone, how are you? I hope that everyone are going to do well. Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn the new topic as I said, multiples and submultiples of 10. Okay, what is our topic here? Multiples of 10 and as well as submultiples of 10. Okay, first we need to know what is meant by multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. So that means multiples of 10, that means 10 into 10, how much? 100. Again 10 into 10 into 10, 1000, like that. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 10,000. So multiples, we need to multiply the tens continuously, then it is said to be multiples of 10. So we get big values by multiplying here. And here submultiples of 10. So here multiply submultiple means it is a reciprocal of multiples of 10. Reciprocal of multiples of 10, that means 1 by 10. So and at the same time 1 by 10 into 10, so that means 1 by 10, 1 by 100. So if we continue like this, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000, so it will be continuously going on like that. So now, so this is the actual meaning of multiples of 10 and submultiples of 10. So why I am explaining this topic here? Why? Because if we want to when we are going to write large and big numbers in measurement. For example, the distance between the sun and earth is a large value. So is it possible to represent in terms of zeros here like that? It is a big value. So instead of this one, we will write that value in terms of multiples. That is the purpose. So if you want to represent the large, big values or else smallest values, we have to take the help of this multiples and submultiples to represent that particular values. That is the main purpose of multiples of 10 and submultiples of 10. Okay, so now we will see first. Let's move on to the multiples of 10. Here, multiple, its name and symbol. This is the sequence you have to follow here. First, I will write 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 1 means 10 into 1. That's it. 10 to the power of 2 means 10 into 10. 10 to the power of 3 means 10 threes, 10 into 10 into 10, like that. We should remember 10 to the power of 4, 5 is not there here. 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of 12, 10 to the power of 15, 10 to the power of 18. So this is enough for you. Okay, 10 to the power of 1 is known as deca. What is that? 10 to the power of 1 is said to be deca. It's nothing but 10. And it is denoted with the symbol capital T. You should remember the symbol. 10 to the power of 2 is 10 to the power of 2 is known as hectare. Is denoted with capital H. 10 to the power of 3, it is very famous, kilo, denoted with K. 10 to the power of 6, you know that Chiranjeevi is called as megastar. Mega means 10 to the power of 6. That means large one. Megastar. So here mega means 10 to the power of 6. It denoted with M. In this way you should remember. For the sake of remembering purpose, I am giving one example. And 10 to the power of 9, gigabyte, terabyte. You will listen these terms in like software systems. Giga, 10 to the power of 9 is 0. So it denoted with capital G. 10 to the power of 12, tera. This is known as tera. Denoted with capital T. And at the same time 10 to the power of 15. 10 to the power of 15 means what here? Peta. Capital P. 10 to the power of 18, last one, exa. Denoted with capital E. So these are all the types of multiples here of 10 and their names, specific names and their symbols. So these are nothing but multiples of 10. So just I am explaining once. 10 deca, 10 to the power of 2 hectare, 10 to the power of 3 kilo, 10 to the power of 6 mega, 10 to the power of 9 giga, 10 to the power of 12 tera, and at the same time 10 to the power of 15 peta, 10 to the power of 18 hexa. So these are all multiples of 10 and their symbols. So now let's see what are the submultiples. Okay now. So submultiples are there here. First 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 2. Similar to this one we have right here. 10 to the 3 means minus 3, like that. 10 to the power of minus 6. Afterwards 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. 10 to the power of minus 12. 10 to the power of minus 15. And last one is 10 to the power of minus 10. So these are all nothing but submultiples of 10. So what is the actual meaning of 10 to the power of minus 1? 10 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10. 10 to the power of 1, that's it. If it goes to outside, it becomes minus. And next, 10 to the power of minus 2 means 1 by 10 to the power of 2. So similarly, we can write all those things here. I don't need to write. You already understand from this 2 here. Okay. So now we will see the names of the submultiples. 10 to the power of minus 1 is called as deci, denoted with small d. 10 to the power of minus 2, centimeter. You know that one very well. Centi is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2, denoted with c. 10 to the power of minus 3, milli, smallest values, small m. 10 to the power of minus 6, micro. This one is known as micro. So it has specific symbol, it's a Greek word mu, that is nothing but mu. And 10 to the power of minus 9, nano, nano car. Nano means what? It's small size, that's why the name of the car is kept like nano, that's the purpose. And that's why you should know the signs. 10 to the power of minus 9, nano, you know this small n. 10 to the power of minus 12. So 10 to the power of minus 12 is said to be pico, small p. Yes, just you should know the which one is capital letter, which one is small letters. If we consider capital P, it becomes beta. Beta means 10 to the power 15. So if we given small p means, so it is 10 to the power minus 12 pico. So you should observe the small, whether it is small letter or capital. That much of difference is there. So keen observation is important when you are going to solve the problems. 10 to the power of minus 15, it is known as femto, or it is also said to be Fermi. Both are same here anyway. So here small f, and the last one 10 to the power of minus 18 is known as atto, A-double-T-O, A-double-T-O, atto, denoted with small a. So these are all the types of submultiples of 10. So just once we see here, 10 to the power of minus 1, deci, 10 to the power of minus 2, centi, 10 to the power of minus 3, milli. And at the same time, 10 to the power of minus 6, micro, 10 to the power of minus 9, nano, 10 to the power of minus 12, pico, 10 to the power of minus 15, femto, or Fermi, 10 to the power of minus 18, atto. So these are all the types of multiples and submultiples of 10. So friends, finally in this video, we learned multiples and submultiples of 10 and their names, specific names and their symbols. So these are very very important for you while you are going to solve the numerical problems like conversions and so many things. Later on you are going to know everything here. Anyway, thank you one and all. Thank you everyone here. Thank you friends. And once again I am reminding everyone here, I am not irritating, just reminding here. Please forward my channel to all your friends and ask them to learn physics. And you also try to follow my every video. Don't miss the sequence. I am saying so many times here. Plus anyway, just try to follow my channel and learn physics. Afterwards, finally, I will be very happy for you here. And if you find any doubt, just keep on comment in my comment box. Thank you, friends. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye.